I have the Samsung Smart TV and I'll be showing you how to clear your YouTube history. So this includes YouTube watch history and YouTube search history from the YouTube app on your Samsung Smart TV. So simply launch the YouTube app and then go to the left hand side panel and then scroll down all the way to settings. Under settings, scroll down until you get to history and data, and you should see the option to clear watch history. So once you have that highlighted, just move with the right side arrow on your remote to go and highlight clear watch history, and then click on that. It's going to ask you if you're sure you want to clear watch history, and keep in mind that this will clear the watch history from this particular YouTube account on all your devices. It's not only going to clear from the TV, it's going to clear from your account on all other devices while you're signed in with the same account. So just select clear watch history and you can see all watch history has been cleared. And then now you can go back to the menu on the left hand side and then go to clear search history and then move there and also clear search history. It's going to ask you once again if you're sure you want to clear search history. So again, select that and all the search history has been cleared. And that's basically how to clear your YouTube watch and search history on the Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.